Hello again, this is Hotshot Mike here. I'm going to show you how to program a custom database. I've already got one I started working on here. So what you do is you go ahead and I'm going to just make another one and attach it to this one. So you can have as many custom ones as you want in a group. So we're going ahead and program this one I've already created. But first I'm going to show you what you do. You go to Edit, Edit Favorites List. And then you cut new favorites, right here, the new favorite list, and then when it comes up you put a name in. So once that's done, you'll have a screen pop up like this and no anything in here. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to make a new favorites, a new radio system as such. But I'm going to do it kind of simple. You click on at the top right here. I don't know if you saw that. I'll do it again. Go right here. It says that right there. You choose the type of radio system it is, and since I'm doing aviation stuff, it's going to be conventional. And then you tell it to put the name in. I'm going to call this one Los Angeles County. This is where I'm going to put my airfields and stuff. And so I'm going to add a couple of these in there for the different areas. And all of them need to be conventional. And so I'm not going to put them in alphabetic order because it really doesn't matter to me. So you just make the channels. And so that's basically all you do. And you would set the quick keys like the other one did when I programmed the other radio. And when you are done with the adding whichever conventional or Project 25 or ECAS or any of those, they'll be up here on the left. As you see, I have the center stuff already in here, and you got your frequencies. You put them in there, and you just put them in there like you plus type in the name, the frequency, and you can tell it to auto, or you can just put what kind it is. I just do it auto, it's easier. And then you got your other frequencies. And one of the neat things is when you get it just to where you want it, you can do a lot of stuff. Like here under center frequencies, I just add these two in there at the moment. Put the plus, put the quick key numbers on it, and you can do the same for these right here. So I can go right here and type in name of the airfield, like Los Angeles International Airport, and put a quick key to it, and put all the names of the airports within that county that have towers or things like that. And you can do it to all of them. And then one of the things that I like to do, even though there's a lot of extra chatter on the aviation band, if you do this, you put the Unicom channels. So I'm going to add the Unicom channels in here, or multicom. Unicom channels. And so whenever somebody is landing at an uncontrolled airfield, you will hear them on that frequency. Like, for example, one of the local airports to where I'm at uses 122.900. That's the Unicom frequency that the pilots talk on when they're landing at the uncontrolled airfield. Or if you're actually in California and you're living in, say, Temecula or Murrieta or Hemet, well, you would put in their local Unicom frequencies for those uncontrolled airstrips. Like, say, French Valley, California, F-70. Their frequency for the Unicom's frequencies would be 122.800, or depends on the airport. You just need to look it up. So so you just look it up. So I'm gonna, if I go to here and, for example, I'll add a channel. I'll call this one Unicom. That, and this would be the one of the local frequencies for French Valley. 122.800. That's all you do, and just continue down the list to put them in there. Or you want center frequencies if you're in Southern California. One of them that is one of the most active ones I like to listen to is 119.9500, which is you're hearing in the background right now. So that's that. I'll chat y'all later, and hopefully this is helpful.